Dreaming of turning your backyard into the ultimate luxury escape this summer? These Amazon upgrades bring comfort, style, and resort-like vibes right to your own outdoor space. Whether you're hosting friends or simply relaxing outside, there's something here to transform your backyard into a place you'll never want to leave. All products are linked in the description below. Picture dining under the stars without a single bug getting in. This clear dome tent turns any backyard into your own private bubble retreat. See-through PVC walls give you a full 360 degrees view in every direction while keeping you warm and perfectly dry. It fits up to 7 people, so it's ideal for parties, cozy lounging, or even a sheltered little plant sanctuary. Rust-proof poles and reinforced connectors mean it stands strong through wind, rain, and even heavy snow. Heat-sealed seams keep every drop of moisture outside where it belongs. Side windows let fresh air flow through whenever you need it, so things never feel stuffy. Stakes, clamps, and sandbags all come included, making setup quick and simple, and keeping it firmly in place no matter what the weather brings. Muddy shoes and soggy socks just met their match. This roll-out wooden pathway gives you a clean, sturdy path anywhere you need one, instantly. Unroll it across grass, sand, or gravel in seconds. No tools required at all. Solid cedar wood handles rain, sun, and changing seasons without ever cracking or fading. Anti-slip grooves keep every step steady and secure, even when the surface gets wet. Heavy-duty rubber cords hold each plank firmly together, so it won't shift, twist, or sag underfoot. When you're done, just roll it back up and tuck it away for next time. No screws, no setup, no fuss involved. It's the easiest way to dress up a backyard, a beach day, or even an outdoor wedding. Bouncing just got a whole lot safer. This trampoline ditches the metal springs entirely, so there are no pinch points to worry about at all. Instead, flexible rods underneath give you a smooth, controlled bounce that's gentle on joints and easy on little bodies. With 155 square feet of jumping space, there's plenty of room for flips, games, or a solid cardio workout. A surrounding net keeps jumpers safely inside the bounce zone at every moment. Heavy-duty steel construction means it's built to handle sun, rain, and years of non-stop backyard fun. Whether it's gymnastics practice or just an afternoon of laughing with friends, this gives your kids a space to play that you can actually truly feel good about. Heat doesn't stand a chance against this one. This portable cooler is your personal escape from sweltering days, anywhere life takes you. Just add ice or water, and it churns out a steady stream of refreshing cool air in mere seconds. 3 fan speeds let you dial in exactly the chill you're craving, from a light breeze to a serious blast. A rechargeable battery means you're not tied down to an outlet, so take it camping, tailgating, or out to the porch. With 38 quarts of capacity, it keeps the cool air flowing strong for hours at a time, even on the hottest days. Compact and easy to carry, it's like having your own personal breeze on demand, ready whenever and wherever the heat finds you. There's nothing like a campfire without the eye-watering smoke. This fire pit uses a clever vent system to pull in air from all sides, so it burns cleaner and brighter. Set it up in just 3 steps, no tools needed. It's big enough to fit 16-inch logs, perfect for a real backyard blaze. Sturdy stainless steel handles high heat without warping or wearing down. A removable ashtray makes cleanup quick when the fun's over. You can even use it as a grill for steaks and sausages, adding that smoky, open flame flavor. Compact and easy to carry, it's ready for camping trips, patio nights, or anywhere you want to gather around the fire. One table, 3 different superpowers. This patio piece works as a coffee table, a hot tub side table, or a pop-up party bar, depending on exactly what you need. Lift the lid, and it rises 10 inches to reveal a hidden cooler tucked underneath. That cooler holds up to 40 cans, keeping drinks ice cold all afternoon long. When the party's over, just close it back down for a sleek, simple side table once again. A built-in drain plug lets you empty out the melted ice in seconds. No mess involved. Tough resin construction shrugs off rain, sun, and everyday wear without a problem. It's a small piece of furniture that does a lot of heavy lifting and makes a great gift for anyone who loves hosting. This is lawn care for properties that mean business. Forget buried wires. This mower navigates entirely on its own using GPS and camera-based vision. It tracks its exact position outdoors, so it mows precise lines without bumping into trees or furniture. Twin motors and a smart ejection system keep grass clippings from clogging things up, even in thick, wet conditions. Sturdy steel tracks let it climb steep, uneven, or muddy terrain that would stop a regular mower cold. You can adjust the cutting height from short and tidy to tall and natural, depending on the look you want. Built for yards up to 6 acres, it's less of a tool and more of a groundskeeper that never takes a day off. A patchy, thirsty lawn doesn't stand a chance against this sprinkler. 20 precision nozzles sweep back and forth, soaking up to 4,500 square feet evenly. Simple dial controls let you set the exact width and range you need, whether that's a small flower bed or a wide stretch of grass. Zoom control narrows the spray down for a newly seeded patch or opens it up for full yard coverage. Built-in width indicators show you exactly where your water's landing, so nothing gets missed or overdone. It connects easily to a standard hose and gets to work right away. Simple, sturdy, and built to last, it's the easy way to keep your whole yard green. Say goodbye to wrestling with a heavy, tangled hose. This one starts compact and stretches up to 3 times its length the moment water flows through it. Once you turn it off, it shrinks right back down for easy, mess-free storage. Solid brass fittings connect securely to any standard outdoor tap. 4 layers of latex protect the inner tube from thorns, sharp edges, and everyday wear. It's tested to handle 2,000 uses, so it's built for the long haul. The included nozzle offers 8 different spray patterns, from a gentle mist to a powerful jet. Lightweight and kink-free, it makes watering the garden feel almost effortless. Restaurant-quality pizza in your own backyard, ready before you even finish setting the table. This portable oven blasts up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to cook a full pizza in just 60 seconds. Fire it up with wood, charcoal, or gas, whatever fuel you've got on hand. A smart fuel tray boosts airflow for a powerful, steady flame with barely any ash to clean up. At just over 26 pounds, it's light enough to fold down and bring along on any trip. Give it about 15 minutes to heat up, then start cranking out pies one after another. Beyond pizza, it's also great for searing steak or roasting vegetables, turning any outdoor space into your own personal kitchen. Turn your backyard into the ultimate gathering spot with a custom stone fire pit from System Pavers. Perfect for cozy nights roasting marshmallows, entertaining friends, or relaxing under the stars. These fire pits seamlessly integrate with patios, turf, or outdoor kitchens. Designed to suit your style, size, and layout, they combine beauty, durability, and functionality. Book a free design consultation to create your ideal outdoor focal point today. Shade should move with you, not the other way around. This cantilever umbrella hangs overhead without a center pole getting in your way, giving you open, usable space underneath. You can tilt and rotate it to block the sun throughout the day, so you're always covered. The large canopy provides wide shade, making it perfect for patios, pools, or outdoor seating areas that need flexible protection. Forget heavy chairs. This inflatable lounger is all about instant comfort anywhere you go. No pump needed, just swoop it through the air and you've got a cozy seat or hammock in seconds. The built-in pillow supports your head and neck, so you can really relax. It stays inflated for hours and is completely waterproof, making it perfect for the beach, backyard, or festivals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.